Today we are doing a smell test between the real deal and something we've been cooking up in the Simply Earth kitchen. Here is our guest, Gail.
Hello.
It's right by your nose.
My first guess is like a cantaloupe or watermelon. Some sort of melon. It smells like a melon.
Okay. Ding, ding, ding.
Really?
Yeah, she's right.
Which one was it?
Okay, but what about the second option? What does that smell like?
Okay, yeah. Tell us first the
What are
second
the
option.
notes you're getting? Try to find 3.
Does it smell similar to option A?
Maybe, but it's more perfumey. Oh,
You were right.
I
It's
was
a
right.
watermelon.
Oops. What is? It's really good. I'd say that this smells like what you wish a watermelon tasted like.
Yeah.
It's very good. Floral and fruity and fresh and very pretty.
Okay, go ahead.
Thank you, Gail, for your participation.
You're welcome.
We love having you here. And now we are going to make this soap. It is February, it's cold, it's gray outside, and I decided we needed a massive dose of serotonin. So today we are making a watermelon splash soap. We are layering this to look like a stylized slice of summer, using poppy seeds for the seeds, a 3-layer design for the rind and flesh, and the best part, we are scenting it with the watermelon mojito blend that is heavy on the mint. It's fruity, it's minty, and it's the only way we're getting summer vibes in the middle of winter. Without buying a plane ticket, let's go make some forbidden fruit. To get started, cut the soap base into 1-inch cubes. This helps everything melt together and makes layering much easier. Next, melt half of the shea butter, melt and pour soap in a double boiler or microwave using short intervals, stirring between. Once melted, add an 1/8 teaspoon of lime green mica powder and stir to mix. Then pour half of the melted soap into the mold to create the bright green rind layer. To the remaining melted soap, add a 1/4 teaspoon of forest green mica powder and stir to mix. Before the lime green layer sets, pour the forest green soap into the lime green layer to create swirls, pouring at about 130 degrees. If the soap has started to harden and the swirls don't form while pouring, use a toothpick to create swirls throughout the soap. Spritz the surface with perfumer's alcohol to allow this layer to set for about 10 minutes. Once set, melt the remaining shea butter, melt and pour soap base, leaving it white, and pour it on top of the green layer. So we are going to pour the white layer at 130 degrees, just like we did with the other pour. Spritz with perfumer's alcohol and allow it to set for another 10 minutes. And now for the melon layer. Melt the glycerin melt and pour soap base into a double boiler or microwave using short intervals, stirring between. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of fuchsia mica powder, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, and your scent choice. Allow the soap to cool for a few minutes so the poppy seeds stay suspended. When you stir, right around 130 degrees. Pour the melted soap into the white layer, spritz with perfumer's alcohol, and allow it to set completely for 4 to 6 hours. Once the soap is fully set, pull the sides of the mold away from the soap. Flip the mold over and work the soap out of the bottom, then remove it completely from the mold. Cut the soap into 4 to 6 slices and store it in an airtight container until you're ready to use. Okay, I was not expecting it to look this good, and it feels so nice with the poppy seeds in there for that exfoliation. I really love this. This is so cool. It's even a cool gift. To use, you just want to lather the soap with water and massage it into the skin for a gentle cleanse and a light exfoliation. Let's test it out. Wow, this lather is creamy. It lathers very beautifully, as you can see. And that scent is fresh and clean, slightly cooling. It is very uplifting. And I love how my hands feel afterwards. They feel very moisturized, but they don't feel greasy. That dry, tight feeling, they don't feel like that at all. And it smells beautifully. It honestly feels like something you find at a small boutique, but you made it yourself. If you've been wanting a creative project that's fun, practical, and actually works, this one is worth trying. Make it your own, experiment with scent blends, and enjoy the process. Share your soap using #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth. We love seeing your creations. See you in the next video.